Please follow and subscribe to Encyclomedia on YouTube and Facebook before continuing, so that I can keep creating videos that teach you about journalism, filmmaking, acting, photography, and other media-related subjects. What is journalism? Journalism is the process of gathering, reporting, and editing news. Journalists use a variety of methods to gather information, including interviews, research, and observation. They then report this information in a way that is accurate, fair, and unbiased. Journalism plays an important role in society by informing the public about current events and issues. There are many different types of journalism, including news reporting. This is the most common type of journalism, and it involves reporting on current events. Investigative journalism. This type of journalism involves digging deeper into a story to uncover new information. Feature writing. This type of journalism tells longer, more in-depth stories about people, places, or events. Opinion journalism. This type of journalism expresses the writer's opinion on a particular topic. Journalists work in a variety of settings, including newspapers, magazines, television, radio, online. The job of a journalist can be challenging, but it is also rewarding. Journalists have the opportunity to make a difference in the world by informing the public about important issues. Journalism is an important part of a free and democratic society. By informing the public about current events and issues, journalists help to hold those in power accountable. They also play a vital role in educating the public and helping them to make informed decisions. If you are interested in a career in journalism, there are many resources available to help you get started. You can find information about journalism programs at colleges and universities, as well as internships and fellowships. You can visit www.encyclomedia.pk to learn short media courses and get press credentials and ID. You can also learn more about journalism by reading newspapers, magazines, and watching news programs. Journalism is a challenging but rewarding career. If you are interested in making a difference in the world, journalism may be the right career for you.